Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Mr. John.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Are you ready for the English class?
I think so, but English is hard for me.
Oh, English is hard? Why do you think so?
I don't understand the grammar.
Grammar can be difficult. Which part don't you understand?
I don't understand the past tense.
The past tense? Like, I walked? I studied?
Yes, that one. I always forget the verbs.
That's okay. English verbs can be tricky.
I try to remember, but I forget again.
Don't worry. Practice makes perfect.
How can I practice more?
You can write short sentences every day.
Sentences like, I walked to school?
Yes, exactly. Simple sentences are good.
Okay, but how about speaking?
Speaking is also important. You can talk with your classmates in English.
But my friends speak Khmer.
You can ask them to speak a little English with you.
That's true. Maybe I can try.
Good idea. Don't be shy.
Sometimes I feel shy to speak.
Everyone feels shy at first. It's normal.
Really? You too?
Of course. When I learned Khmer, I felt shy too.
You learn Khmer? That's nice.
Yes, it's not easy, but practice helps.
So, practice helps everything?
Yes, reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
I like listening. It's more fun.
Listening to English songs or videos can help.
But sometimes I don't understand the words.
That's okay. Try to catch only a few words first.
Like hello or thank you?
Yes, start with simple words.
Okay, I can do that.
Great. Do you read English books?
Only my school books.
Maybe try a short story in English.
A short story?
Yes, maybe a children's book. It's easier.
That sounds fun.
You can also use pictures to help you understand.
I like pictures.
Pictures help your brain remember words.
Really? That's good.
Yes, you learn better when you see and read together.
I see. I will try that.
Excellent, Anna.
Thank you, Mr. John.
You're welcome. Do you want to practice now?
Yes, please.
Okay, tell me a sentence in past tense.
I go to school?
Almost. That's present tense.
Oh, then I went to school?
Perfect. Very good.
Yay! I did it!
See? You are learning.
Thank you, teacher.
Let's try another one. I eat breakfast.
Past tense? I ate breakfast.
Excellent.
This is fun.
I'm happy you enjoy it.
But sometimes English spelling is strange.
Yes, English spelling can be confusing.
Why is read and read the same spelling but different?
Good question. English words come from many languages.
Oh, so that's why?
Yes, that's why some words sound different.
English is a little crazy,
Haha, yes, it is.
but I still want to learn it.
That's the spirit.
Thank you for helping me.
Always, Anna. You're my student.
You are a good teacher.
And you are a good learner.
I will study more.
That's great. I believe in you.
Thank you. I feel happy now.
I'm happy too.
Can I ask one more question?
Of course. What is it?
When I say did, what tense is that?
That's past tense.
So, I did my homework is correct?
Correct again.
Great. I understand more now.
Wonderful job today, Anna.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
See you tomorrow, Mr. John.
See you tomorrow, Anna. Goodbye.